Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to auto shut down your Windows 11, like your laptop or PC. And for this we go to the search bar and search for Task Scheduler. Right here we have it. And then from now we click on Create Basic Task. Then right now write down the name, so auto shut down. And then do next. And then select when do you want the task to start. So let's say one time. Then we do next, select here the date when you want to shut down your PC. So let's say Monday 30th. And then right now select the time when you want to turn it off. So something like 3 p.m. is fine. Then we do next and then select start a program, and then right now program a script. So we do shut down, that's our name, and now we go to add arguments, and now the most important part starts. We need to do this sign S, again with F, again with T, and then a 0, and then we click on next. Right now you see this program right here, and now we click on finish. Right now, if you can see standing here in our task scheduler library, the auto shutdown. And then when we go to this, you see here at which time and on which day. So this is exactly how you can auto shut down your Windows 11. And hopefully this video was helpful. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.